Hello, I'll cook salted salmon. Fillet can be fresh or frozen. For every half kilo of fillet you need 3 to 4 tablespoons of coarse salt and 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Well, I have frozen salmon fillet weighing 1 kilo 300 grams. Previously, I had already unfrozen it and washed it with running water. According to the weight of fish, I take coarse stone salt 6 tablespoons, about 180 grams, sugar 6 teaspoons, about 30 grams. Pour salt and sugar into a plate and mix well. Salmon fillet into pieces so that it's convenient to put into the mold. I cut into 4 parts. The mixture is evenly distributed along the bottom of the mold. Now each piece needs to be rubbed well with the mixture of salt and sugar on all sides. It's advisable to dry each part of the fillet from all sides with a paper towel. Spread the bottom layer with the skin down. The top layer with the skin up. I pour the remaining salt on top. Press slightly. That's it, we prepared the fish for salting. Now you need to cover the mold with the lid and put into the refrigerator. Well, it's been about 12 hours. Some brine appeared in which the fish is pickled. I turned the fillet over so it's evenly salted. slightly. And put into the refrigerator again for another 12 hours. Well, it's been about 12 hours. The fish is ready. Drain the liquid and remove the skin from the fish. Salmon is an important part of human diet because it contains a lot of proteins, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. Most species of salmon spend part of their life in rivers and other part in the ocean. Salmon can be blue, red, or silver in color. It depends on the age and type of habitat. Salmons change the color of the body on their way from the ocean to the freshwater habitats during the mating season. Salmon travels thousands of miles and climbs 7,000 feet upstream until it reaches spawning areas. Salmons rely on the sense of smell, ocean currents, and the moon to find the waters where they were born. The fillet can be cut into pieces, put into the mold and keep in the freezer, or freeze in large pieces and cut before eating. I prefer to cut into pieces so that you can easily take them for sandwiches. Well, it's believed that the use of salmon helps wrinkles to be smoothed out and has other magical effects transforming a person. This is a great low-calorie diet product, and not only because of the low-calorie content, but also because salmon has an appetite-suppressing effect. Well, it looks delicious. spaghetti.